is this play? Why do you think this play is so important for students to be involved in, for teachers to be involved in today's world where we are right now?
Oh man, I think it just comes back to that idea of empathy, and whether it's like, it's just being able to, you don't know the kind of day somebody's having, you don't know where somebody's come from, you don't know what their traditions are. And like, we aren't privy to people's memories. And like the quickest, easiest way to bring people together and start unlocking memories and conversation is cooking and food and sharing a meal together. And like, that's what's so great about theater as a whole is the fact that it brings people together. So it's the same idea. It's that same like food and family and love are something that we can all connect to in one way or another. And they're all kind of symbiotic. And that's just the best part. And I think that in today's world, we could all just use a little bit more understanding and a little bit more empathy for the fact that we are individuals, and as individuals we make up a family, and as families we bring everything to the table, and that's where we share, that's where we reflect, that's where we bond and communicate, and that's the coolest thing to see reflected on a stage.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I love this play. And I know that all of you are going to love it too. And you should go over to theatrefolk.com and read the sample pages for A Recipe of Me. And then you should do it with your students, because I just think it's such a, I just got a little goosebumps. It's a lovely play. And it just, I think for right now, it just has so much insight from the mouths of middle school students, I think that that's a wonderful thing.